Can I save the paint on this 93 Fox body? We're gonna find out. Real quick, before we do that, God is everything. Without God, I'm nothing. All right, guys, so the first thing I wanna do is, we're gonna wash it, right? I'm gonna do just this side only. Take some of my specialty soap. This soap is in the development, man, so y'all stay tuned. Specialty soap. Make sure your rag is clean. Everything being clean here is critical. Not looking for perfection, just looking for a nice clean surface. A little hard to scrub it. All right, man, before we really get into this, I want to give y'all the most realistic shot of how dull this paint is. Absolutely no shine, as you can see. No shine at all. You can see a little bit over there, but that's about it. Since this is the closer part to the camera, we're gonna tape it off. Right here, this is also 3M tape. This is the best tape that I've used when it comes to painting a car. Kinda expensive, but it works. There's your line. We're gonna buff here. We're gonna leave everything up from there. All right, guys, so what we're gonna use to save this is the 3M Perfected system. It's a 3-part system. It starts off white, black, and then blue. I have pads that match with it. Black pad, blue pad, and a white pad. Well, this used to be white, but it's white. It's supposed to be white. One important thing I forgot to mention, let me throw this in here. This is a Chicago Electric buffer from Harbor Freight. And it has a speed thing where I can adjust the speed. So if I show you, so I'm gonna turn it all the way down to 1, and you wanna start off slow, because if you start off fast, you're gonna splash it everywhere. I'm gonna start off at 1. That's so gentle. A little dirty, but, so if I had this on here, I could slowly speed it up. All right, but you wanna make sure you got a clean pad, but I'm a professional, so I can get away with it. You wanna start off with a very small amount. So we start off with white. White is number 1. Put me a little bit on here. About that much. Me personally, I take it and like to dab it over the surface a little bit. Do not stay in one spot. Make sure you move around. All right, so let's go. Then you can slowly just speed it up. Go in different patterns, forward and backwards, side to side. All right, so most of the time, man, you have to do that multiple times, so I'm gonna do that one more time. I can already start to see a little bit of shine, but I'm gonna do that bad boy one more time. Same deal, small circle. Take you a rag, wipe it off and see what you got. If it looks decent, not decent, if it looks decent, you can move on to your next step. All right, guys, so if you can see, that's just one step right there. One step, all I did was the hood right here. As y'all remember, that paint didn't have any shine. There's why I didn't buff it. Same deal. Take it, sit it up here. Mine is old, like I said, so I gotta shake it up. Put me a small circle on here. Some people do small dots. I just do a simple circle. Same deal, I smear it all over. I like to smear it over and go in. Start slow, speed up. All right, I'm gonna slowly speed up from 2 to 3. That's about as fast as I'm gonna go. It's 3. All right, guys. Y'all know I like to do twice. Same deal, one more time. Going back with the black, another small circle. We're gonna smear it. We're gonna smear it all over. We're gonna start on 2. I'm gonna take my rag, AKA shirt, and wipe it off. Get all that stuff off. All right, man, let me get y'all in here for step 2. As y'all can see, got a nice shine on it. And if you can see at the back, no shine. So that's your difference, before and after right there. Still got one more step. We're gonna see how much we can really get this baby to shine. Blue, this is some good stuff. If y'all looking for it, I got it off Amazon. I will be linking this in my description. So I'm gonna link the pads, a buffer that I recommend with a variable speed and everything. If I can find this specific one, when I bought this, it was very cost effective, man. So we're gonna smear it, start off on 2. So this is what your painting body man has to do after he paints your car. But he has to also wet sand it before he does this to get all the orange peel out. So the wet sanding does the paint all the way out, about like this. But when you wet sand it, man, it's even harder to get the paint to come back to a shine. So if your body man is charging you 10 grand or whatever, pay it, man. Just pull the tape so that y'all can see the line. All right, man, so I'm gonna give y'all this closer, lot closer look. I know y'all see that difference. Before I showed you, you couldn't see my hand, but now, the way the sun is, I can't show you. But anyway, y'all can see that. Y'all actually can see the trees up there now. All right, guys, so right here, man, we came in, and I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like if I shine a light on it, man. My mic went out right here. You can't hear nothing I was saying, but right here, you can see the light. But when I move over right there, man, you can't see the light. All right, man, appreciate y'all for making it this far, man. My mic went out right here, man, but appreciate y'all.